How's it going? Welcome to this video and channel. My name is TJ and today I'm gonna be talking about affiliate marketing and what are the steps if you're just starting out. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button below this video, and also click that notification bell so you do not miss out on any important videos in the future and potential bonuses. So let's go back to the topic. So affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. In this affiliate marketing guide for beginners, we will explain how affiliate marketing works and how to get started right away. So what is affiliate marketing? By definition, affiliate marketing is a referral arrangement in which an online retailer or advertiser pays you a commission when someone purchases the product from your referral link. So unlike other ad types, which pays based on clicks or views, affiliate marketing works on a CPA, or cost per acquisition, or CPL, cost per lead basis. In other words, you only earn a commission when someone takes an action. So when somebody buys the product or signs up for a free trial. So affiliate marketing requires a more hands-on approach. You have to find a product or service that you believe will be helpful to your users. So after that, you have to strategically add it in your blog posts or websites or whatever you have, or other areas of your site, so user can purchase the product using your referral link. So how does affiliate marketing works? So first, you need to find a product or a company that you want to promote. So you need to select a product or service that you believe will be relevant to your blog's topic, if you have a blog, and useful to your audience. So the product or company you choose will be called a merchant. So you have to partner up with the company by joining their partner program or affiliate program. So this will make you their affiliate. Some companies use terms such as associates, partners, and so on and so on. You're probably asking, well, how I will find a product to promote or a company to promote? Well, there are lots of different sites on the internet where you can find thousands of products online. So for example, there is a site called ClickBank, which is a leading global retail and affiliate marketplace. When you sign up and when you log in, you will find thousands and thousands of products that you can promote and earn some commissions. It's very easy to sign up. Just log in, give your information, and that's it. There's also a site called ShareASale, which basically works similar to ClickBank, and you also can find hundreds of products that you can promote. And you're probably, if you ever used Amazon before, then you know that there is an affiliate program. If you scroll at the bottom of the page, you will see here it says become an affiliate. So basically, whatever you can find on Amazon, you can refer the product and you will get a commission. It's that simple. So if you do not like any of that, try to promote products that you're already using. So what is better than writing a personal review of a product? So if you can share a personal experience, then people will be more likely to buy from you. Or you can try and see what other people are promoting. So once you have joined the partner program or affiliate program, you will get a unique affiliate ID. You will need to use this affiliate ID in all affiliate links that you add in your website or your emails to promote your products. So you can promote the product by adding an in-depth product reviews, recommend it in your articles, display banner ads, sending an email newsletter, and more. So all traffic you send to the merchant website with your unique ID will be tracked. And once a user makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. So how can you easily get started? So if you're just starting out, first thing is first. The point of affiliate marketing is to generate leads, meaning you need to collect email addresses of other people. People won't immediately buy from you when they see your ad or your post. First, they need to get to know you. That is why it's important to collect their emails so you can send them more emails later and try to sell them products. First thing you'll need to get is an autoresponder. This is the tool you'll use to send out emails to people. Sites like Aweber and GetResponse are tools that you can use to send emails to others. All of these sites have a free trial, so you can always test it out and see what's best for you. A lot of these email providers have drag and drop tools, and you won't need to have a lot of technical skills to write a good, effective email. And every affiliate network and whichever product you're promoting, you will get a lot of pre-made emails or email templates that you can just copy and paste it into your autoresponder. The next thing that you will need to do is to generate traffic quickly or to get emails fast. At the very beginning, you don't want to spend too much money on ads such as Google, Bing, or Facebook. You can buy leads from other people. This is where sites like Udemy, udemy.com, and Traffic for Me come in handy. Basically, with Udemy and Traffic for Me, you are hiring another person to send out affiliate links to people. So you don't even need to have an email copy ready. Just have the affiliate link ready and they will do the job for you. If you're more advanced, then you can start building funnels yourself. The sales funnel is each step that someone has to take in order to become your customer. So basically, you would create your landing page or opt-in page. This is the page where you try to encourage people to give you their email address. So you can be very creative here and give out free stuff in exchange for the email address. You don't even have to be a pro in building websites. Sites like ClickFunnels and Leadpages are so easy to use. ClickFunnels and Leadpages both have drag and drop tools that can help you create a landing page in just a few minutes. So ClickFunnels will guide you through the entire process. It's shown right here. You have a landing page, add to email list, build some kind of a value, and then the sales page leads the customer directly to the purchase page and you collect your money. Once you are skilled in creating effective sales funnel, you can follow up with people. Meaning, once you generated enough leads, you can start contacting people more often. You can start writing emails in your own words. So you try to put yourself into those emails. So in the beginner phase, those emails that you use were probably templates. Most companies will give you emails that you can send out. But once you pass that phase, trust me, more likely that you will sell something if you describe product in your own words. In this more advanced phase, you can also start doing paid traffic. So you will know how to create a campaign in Google Ads, Bing Ads, or Facebook or Instagram. You're probably asking, why is this more advanced? Well, affiliate marketing is not easy to do, especially if you're trying to promote it on Facebook. You will get banned easily if you're not compliant with their policy. You will need to know how to create your own landing page, write your own sales copy before you start advertising. Just putting the direct affiliate link on Facebook won't work. Trust me, I've been there, and 6 of my business managers or Facebook business managers were banned and suspended. That is why this is more advanced step. A lot of people are successful on Facebook, but they had also many failures on Facebook. That's why it's important to know how to build an effective sales funnel, write good copy, and have everything ready in place, and actually be familiar with Facebook advertising policy before you start. So those are the steps for the beginners. If you're still unsure what to do, then click the link below this video and join the educational program for just $7 that will teach you everything from the start, from creating lists, generating leads, creating sales funnels, creating ads, and so on. So it's just $7 and you will get your own coach that will guide you through the entire process. I have been through this program myself when I was starting, and I can't be more grateful for the opportunity. I purchased 4 of their products, which helped me to scale my business. So this program is perfect for those who want to start an affiliate marketing business, and it's designed for beginners and those who are more advanced. So click the link below and get started. I'll see you in the next video.